Welcome to workout 5 of your 28-day Les Mills BodyCombat program.
Be prepared to lift your heart rate today. After the warm-up, we'll rip into some awesome power training.
So grab a towel, water bottle, make some space. All right, let's go.
All right, let's do it. Music, thanks. Put your right leg forward. Single jab, right hand, let's go. 1, 2, 1, and 2. So elbows are into the body. Shift the weight forward and back, and the target's just above the shoulder. Jab, cross, jab. Right, left, right pulse. So you've got a nice wide stance here because that's just going to give us a good foundation to throw from, and rotation through your upper body. Boom. Now hold your ground, uppercut, right, left. 1 and 2. 1 and 2. It's our vertical strike. So come up through the middle, relax through your shoulders, and here's our first rhythm change. Jab, cross, fast. Right, left, 8 times. Now slow down, uppercut. 1, 2. So let's warm up through the shoulders and the back muscles, and now through the core. So rotate inwards. Excellent. And just feel the rhythm and hit the beat. All right, one more time. Like you're performing a figure of 8 through your shoulders. Now hook right and left. 4, 3. Scissor left, right, left 3 times. Hold, change. Back to the hooks. 1, 2. Now hands to guard, and then gently rotate from the center of your chest. So we're gonna warm up the muscles of the core. And as you do it, soften the knees, and then crunch and get out of the way. Give that a go. Get out of the way. 1 hook and hold. Boom. Yeah, beautiful. All right, single left jab. Oh, don't encourage them. Push forward. Nice and light now. Jab, cross, jab. Left, right, left. Easy bounce. So there's no power here. We're just finding our targets and just really feeling the movement. Hold your ground, uppercut, figure of 8. Good, so just feel that movement through, especially the upper part of the shoulder. How you guys doing? You good? All right, tempo change. Jab, cross, left. Hit the strike. Boom, boom. Right down the pipe. Now nice breath here. Through the nose and out through the mouth. All right, you got one more set. Try and reach a little further now that the muscles are getting a little warmer. Yeah, beautiful. Nice boxing. Into the hooks. Left, right. Let's hit the scissor, but go wider. Go. Twist, duck, twist, duck. Hands stay really high and elbows stay close to body. Boom. Very good, team. Upper body is in the bag. So start learning some lower body strikes. Hook and hold. Good.
Thanks, Dan. All right, time to go lower body. Hip roll. Right leg, left leg. So for the next few minutes, we're gonna learn about some lower body strikes from all the different martial arts body combat draws from. But for now, lift your knee, circle it from in to out, and try and get those hips nice and warm. New move, right knee to the corner. Step, step, to the left, to the right. All right, so you strike with the top of the knee, heel to butt, point your toe, drive with the hips, aim for the stomach. 1 + 1 + 1 equals 3. Thank you. Change side. For body combat, we get multiples of movements. And right now, these multiples help multiply the heat through the legs. Last one. Face the front, right leg, front kick, step, step. And let's go. Front kick. Using the ball of your foot. Aim anywhere up your opponent. Remember, this is non-contact, yeah? Open and close through the knee joint. Taking Taekwondo, karate, kickboxing. Side kick, right leg. Step, step, left leg. The side kick using the outside of the foot. Push and pull and aim just over the knee. Down and up. Right foot to the front, combat stance. Roundhouse, set it up. Woo! Your Eu sou tá bom. How's my Portuguese? Try in. First thing to do, set the heel towards the stage, show your shin, get your balance, then release the kick. From the shin down to the toe. This is the roundhouse kick. Think Taekwondo, karate, and now think about moving off the spot. In 3, 2, shuffle to the front. Roundhouse kick. Shuffle back, cross-jack your feet in and out. Looks like that, then do it again. Stay low to the ground, pop up, deliver the kick. Alternatively, sit down and squat, press. Now if you need a little bit extra balance, use your arm out to get the balance. Switch on through the core. Last one, jump wide, side kick, left leg, step, step. It's a push-pull action, and it's designed to work on your booty. But right now, all I feel like doing is shaking it. Left foot forward, roundhouse setup. Hola! Oi, galera! Is that you, Mickey? What's up, Tara? Nice to see the 24 crew. Get that heel set, get your balance, and get ready for the kick. Go low. So anyone that's starting this kind of workout for the first time, definitely encourage you to start low, build up some strength through the legs, and then let it go. Ready? Shuffle, go. Shuffle back, cross jack. I feel like they ran out of lyrics when they wrote this song. That joke number 1. Number 2, let's go! The roundhouse is an awesome move for really shaping the glutes. So point your toe, get a little bit of tension through the legs. Last one, good job. Jump wide.
We're gonna start by flushing off the legs, and we're gonna really dial up the intensity here. We're gonna hit a second cardio peak, all right? Run, right, left, 1, 2, 1 and 2. Lots of opportunities here to advance your intensity or stay at a level that feels really good for you. It's all about perfecting your technique. And so that's commitment. Deal or no deal? Good, so here's the first one if you want. Take your knees up. Pump your arms, lift your chest, and get this breathing going. Deep to the nose and out to the mouth. Now I'm gonna show you 2 combos. Combo 1, then combo 2. Put your right leg forward, combo 1, it's a jab cross hook, right, left, right. One more, now bounce forward and back, hold. Combo 2, jab cross uppercut. Same side, good. Do that again. 1, 2, and 3. Easy bounce. Back to the combo 2. Oh, you guys have got this. No pulse, put 2 combos together twice. Now in combo 2. Awesome. On that hook, remember, let the whole body twist, and you can do the same thing with the uppercut. So you fire the muscles of the shoulder, the core, and the muscles of the back. Last one. All right, hold the middle, jab cross only. 20 seconds down the pipe. Tuck chin, rotate your shoulders forward. So hit a training effect now, a little bit of endurance. Punch hard on your shoulders. And if you can, accelerate your power now. Go back to the combos. Hit it. Jab cross upper. Beautiful. Feel the intensity in your core, especially as you roll your shoulders forward. Come on, use your legs. You'll last longer. Time. Good. Awesome work. First block done, all right? A little bit of a metabolic kicker. This is gonna allow us to burn calories for many hours after the workout. Flush the legs. You're running any leg you want, it doesn't matter. But either way, just lift the knees. Lift the chest, lift your arms. So we've got movement patterns where we do forward and back and off to the side. But for this one, we're gonna get smart. We're gonna hit the 45-degree angle, all right? Different stimulus, different coordination. Look to the right, 45 degree, walking jab 3. One cross, run backwards. Turn to the left. And on the cross, release your heel, all right? So you get full range movement. 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, now add a little bit of power behind your strike. Bam. This time, speed it up and add on. 3, 2, 1, add on. 2 power chaps, all right? Turn. Forward, forward, high knees. Take your time, slide down, then lift up as you run. You got it? All right, everybody, 4 reps. Nail it, travel further. 1, 2, 3, 1, 1, 2. 3, 1, 2. 3, 1, 2. 3, 1, 2. Tuck chin and go. Hey! Beautiful punching. Snap. All right, everybody, hold your center. Jab! Bend knees. Breathe. Now, if you can, rotate forward. Imagine I'm holding pads, all right? And now what are the pads doing? Hit higher. Feel the burn in your shoulders. Now what are they doing? They're going lower. Now hit neutral. Bum, bum, bum. 8, 7. Hit sky. Awesome. Hit the other side. It's a short block. Jab cross hook left, right. Twice. Pulse. Jab cross upper twice. Combo 2. Now 1 rep, practice. Put it together. Now under. All right. Unleash. Under. So this is your training focus now. Heavy strikes, burning calories. Jab cross! 20 seconds. You know there's a difference between you and someone else. You know what the difference is? You're the difference. Attitude starts with you. Come on. Last round, everything you've got. Back to the combo! Under! Oh, baby! Move fast. Think fast. React fast. Last one. You guys are awesome. Perfect. Hook finish. I said, wicked job.
You nailed that one.
That's Body Combat, mixed martial arts inspired training at its best.
So we'll see you soon for workout 6.
Where we'll keep working on perfecting your body combat technique to make you feel invincible.
See you then.